Airtel users, hold on, don't scroll past this video. If you're tired of spending too much on data, I just found a secret code that gives you access to Airtel cheapest data plan, and the sweetest part is you are getting a whopping 20,000 naira welcome bonus for activating it in this application.
Oh my god! Wow!
Now, let me show you exactly how to do this. This data is accessible on all devices and by every Airtel user. How do you go about it? First of all, you are going to install this application called Airtel Smart Cash. Let's head over to Play Store and install the Airtel Smart Cash. I'm going to embed a download link of this particular app in the description of this video, but it's available on Play Store. So just head over to your Play Store and search Smart Cash. So we are going to first of all install this application. Why this step is necessary is because without this application, you will not be able to access that data you saw on my screen. Yes, this is the secret. Without this application, you won't be able to access that particular data. Over here, hold on a moment. This application is already installed. The next thing now is to open this application and sign up. The sign up process is very simple. So just open the application after installing it and sign up. Let me search for it on my screen. The app is installing. Let's give it a moment to install and we get deep into the process. So application I've installed, open this application and sign up. The sign up process, like I said, is very simple. I already have an account with Airtel Smart Cash, so I am not going to undergo the sign up process again, but this is exactly how it looks like. Click here and input your Airtel number. This is for Airtel users, so input your Airtel number and proceed. I'll click on the continue button. Now an OTP has been sent to my phone number, so I am going to just input this OTP for me to be able to access this account. I'll head over to my message and get the OTP and then put it up here. I'm going to input my OTP, then I will be logged in to my account. So I'll just use my fingerprint and sign up. You can see I am in the app already. I'm going to skip this for now. Like I said, I already have an account. I just walk through login into this account. Over here is my balance, add money, withdraw cash. So you can add money to this particular app and you can also withdraw that money. This app is just like a mini bank in your Airtel card. So if you want to fund your wallet, all you have to do is simply copy this your phone number. This is your account number. Move over to any of your mobile bank app or through USSD, send money to this particular account and it will reflect right here. How do you access this data bundle? Over here you can see I already have my 20,000 welcome super bonus. You can see it over here. I've used part of this money. Yes, it's now 19,864 naira. How does the super welcome bonus, how do I use this bonus? This is how it works. Now, whenever you spend any amount from your main balance, you are receiving a cash back from this 20,000 naira. If I spend 100 naira, I am receiving a certain amount from my super bonus. Now, this amount is credited back to my main balance. This is how you keep using this super bonus. The more you spend, the more you are earning, the more you are redeeming. You can see the redeem button over here. So if you click on this redeem button, it will actually open up. You can see bonus earned. I've earned 135 naira. So how do you earn? You can instant daily reward. So I'll just click on it. I receive a certain amount for logging in today. Then you also earn by purchasing data. You can see buy data, you're getting 10%, airtime 10%. Any transaction you perform in this application, you are getting a certain percentage back. So that percentage is being moved from your super bonus wallet to your spendable balance. Let's get into the data aspect. How do you buy data from this particular application? This is it. You can see the bundle, buy bundle. This is it, the buy bundle icon. Just click on it and then input your Airtel line, click on continue. This will open up a page where you'll be able to buy a very cheap amount of data. So you can see this is it, the 3,000 naira. That's 10 gig for 3,000 naira. You have another plan here You have the 1,500 naira for 3.5 gig, 50 naira for 150 MB. If you look closely, you will see it is written here smart cash user only. So it is only people that have the smart cash app will be able to enjoy this particular data plan. 100 naira for 300 MB and 200 naira for 600 MB. In fact, there is even a way you can get a cheaper data pack. This is called a special bundle. Over here, you can see it written here, special bundle. But how do you get that exact data that you saw on my screen earlier? Let's get to that. So make sure you are signed up, you funded your wallet with a certain amount of money in this application. Make sure you have a certain amount of money in this application. After sign up, go ahead and fund your wallet. Then let's get to the dialer pad now. Now you're going to dial this code. Head over to your phone, then dial this code *939 *33 hash. *939 *33 hash. Now click on your Airtel SIM card and allow this USSD code to run. It will bring up this amazing data plan for you. The good thing here is that you can buy this data over and over and over again. And everyone who has an Airtel SIM card is eligible. So far as you have the Airtel Smart Cash application registered in your with your line in your phone, you are eligible to use this data plan. You can click and purchase any of the data plan you want to make use of. It is available for everyone. The first one is 1 gig. Now, when you buy this 1 gig for 500 naira, you are getting extra 1 gigabyte, more like a bonus. You can see that you cannot buy this data with your airtime. You cannot buy this data with your airtime. That is just the truth. You must have to install the Airtel Smart Cash, fund your wallet. So if I want to buy this data, you can see I'll just enter my PIN to buy. So you can see the bond is 500 naira for 2 gig 1 day for self. That's I'm buying for myself. So I can just put my PIN and that is it. If you want to buy any of the data listed using this very code, you must have the Smart Cash app installed in your phone. So any of this, let me just purchase this last one since I have 15 naira left in my phone. Let me purchase this data to show you that this is actually working. I'll simply this is it. Transaction successful. You can die this to confirm your cash back. This particular transaction I made now, a certain amount from my Wacom Super Bonus will be moved to my main spendable balance. That is it, and is withdrawable. If you want to withdraw, you can actually withdraw the money in your Smart Cash app. I just hope that this video is very helpful to you. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so that you receive notification whenever I drop amazing video just like this. Also like, comment and share. If you have a question, use the comment section. I'll be waiting for you there to reply to all your questions. See you guys in our next video.